Very fresh good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, I will discuss on the face of its last portion of the story, what happened. In my previous video, we discussed that Derry wanted to help Mr. Lamb in his work to pluck crab apple from the tree, and he said that he had to go home to inform his whereabouts to his mother. Now they start the conversation. What happened next? So Derry started to say that if he choose, but was interrupted by Mr. Lamb. He said that Derry had to choose and he could not tell him what to do. Derry, they tell me, Mr. Lamb, do you have to agree, Derry? I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or even will have, something just mine like the garden. I don't know what it is. Mr. Lamb, you could find out. Derry, how? Mr. Lamb, waiting, watching, listening, sitting here on going there. I will have to see to the bees. Derry, those other peoples who come here, do they talk to you? Ask you things? Mr. Lamb, some do, some don't. I ask them. I like to learn. Derry, I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You are here all by yourself and miserable, and no one would know if you were alive or dead, and nobody cares. Mr. Lamb, you think what you please. Derry, all right then. Tell me some of their names. Mr. Lamb, what are names? Tom, Dick or Harry? Getting up, I am off down to the beach. Derry, I think you are daft, crazy. Mr. Lamb, that's a good excuse. Derry, what for? You don't talk senses, Mr. Lamb. Good excuse not to come back. And you have got a burned up face, and that's other people excuse. Derry, you are like the others. You like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. I am a devil, don't you? Shouts. Mr. Lamb does not reply. He has gone to his bees. Derry quietly. No, you don't. I like it here. Pause. Derry gets up and shout, I am going, but I will come back. You see, you wait. I can run. I haven't got a till leg. I will bear. Derry runs off, silence the sounds of the garden again. Mr. Lamb to himself. There, my dears, that's you see to you know, we all know I will come back. They never do though, not them, never do come back. The garden noises fade. Derry said that his family forced him to do things their way. Mr. Lamb said it was Derry's wish to agree with them or not. Actually, they are talking about Derry's coming back to the garden. Mr. Lamb said that he could find out what he wanted. Derry asked how he could do that. Mr. Lamb told him to wait, watch and listen. He added that he had to see the bees. Derry asked that did the other visitors talk to Mr. Lamb? Mr. Lamb replied that some did while some did not. Derry said that he did not believe that someone ever visited the place. Mr. Lamb lived alone all by himself. No one cared for him. Mr. Lamb said that Derry could think as he pleased. Derry asked him the names of the some visitor. Mr. Lamb said that names were nothing. They could be like Tom, Dick or Harry. He left to see the bees. Derry said that perhaps Mr. Lamb was mentally challenged. Mr. Lamb said that was a good excuse for Derry, but Derry said that Mr. Lamb did not talk sense and that's why he said so. Mr. Lamb repeated that it was a good excuse for not returning to the garden. Derry's face was burned, which was other people's excuse for not seeing Derry. Derry said that Mr. Lamb was like other people. If he was not sorry that his face was burnt, then maybe he was he was not like him, or he hates him. It's all his own perception, what he thinks about. So Mr. Lamb did not reply, and he shouted. What he shouted? He fight within himself. Mr. Lamb did not reply. He had gone to see the bees. Derry became calm and said that Mr. Lamb did not think him to be a devil. He liked to be in the garden. Derry got up and shouted that he was leaving and that he would return to see him. He did not have a tin leg, could run and would be back soon. Derry ran off. The place was silent with the sound of creatures. So now Derry left the garden. He left to inform his mother about his whereabouts, and Mr. Lamb is alone in his garden. What happened to Derry's house we will study in the second scene. What happened? Scene of Derry's house. Mother, you think I don't know about him? You think I haven't heard things? Mother, Derry, you shouldn't believe all you hear. Now you can see whatever he heard from Mr. Lamb, he is applying here. Mother, being told, warned, we have not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there. Derry, what are you afraid of? What do you think he is? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains. So now you can see the conversation between Derry and his mother. What mother is thinking and what Derry is talking. You can see the difference. Now you can also notice the change in Derry's personality, Derry's thinking. The second scene is at Derry's house, and they both are discussing, and what she is saying, what he is saying to his mother, that don't believe what you hear, and what mother is saying, that she knew everything. He told her that Mr. Lamb was just an old man with a tin leg and had a big house without curtains and a garden. He said that he wanted to go back and listen to things. His mother was curious to know what was it that he wanted to listen. He replied that he wanted to hear bees singing and wanted to listen to what Mr. Lamb said, but she did not find it suitable, and so she told him to stay at home and think about what he wanted. Derry. But what Derry said, I hate here. Mother, you can't help the things you say. Now you can see the resistance of Derry. He is not ready to accept what mother is saying. He is not ready to accept mother's order. You cannot help the thing you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. So here, what mother is saying, mother is not angry. What she says, she will forgive him. She will forgive him because of his condition, but Derry is determined to go. Derry said that he hated to remain at home. His mother excused him for speaking wrong because he felt bad and so spoke that way. Derry said that it had nothing to do with his face. The important thing was how he thought and what he saw or heard. He announced that he would go back into the garden to help Mr. Lamb with the crab apples. His mother tried to stop him, but he ran away, shutting the door behind him. And this is the last scene and the third scene of on the face of it. What happened? Mr. Lamb's garden sounds the noise of branches shifting, apples thumping down, the branches shifting again. Mr. Lamb steadily. That's got it. That's it. More apples fall, and again that's it. And a crack, a crash. The ladder falls back. Mr. Lamb with it. A thump. The branch swishes back, cracks. Then silence. Derry opens the door. Gate still panting. Derry, you see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back. I wanted. He stops dead. Silence. Mr. Lamb, you have. He runs through the grass, top knees. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. You fell. I'm here. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. Silence. Came back. Lammy Lamb, I did come back. Derry began to weep. Steady, stable creak sound. So what happened in the last part? He ran to the garden. He shut the door of his house to his back and ran to Mr. Lamb's house. But what he found, When he entered the house, there was a dead silence everywhere, only the whistling sound of the branches, but there was immense silence in the house. He called, "Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb," and no, after realizing that Mr. Lamb was not all right, he started crying. He started weeping with the dead body. Here you come to know that Mr. Lamb died after falling from the tree, falling from the ladder. Here he died in this scene. So suddenly a harsh sound of the cracking wood was heard, and the ladder fell on the ground. Mr. Lamb fell too. Dairy opened. The both things happened simultaneously. Here Dairy came back, opened the gate, and here Mr. Lamb's ladder fell, and he fall from the ladder on the ground. He was still breathing rapidly and declared to Mr. Lamb that he had returned. He looked at him and found him lying on the ground. He went near him and tried to talk to him, but no one replied. Dairy kept on calling, "Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb, I am here, I am here. You can see, I am here, no one could stop me, I am here. But suddenly he realized actually what happened there. Mr. Lamb was died, and he started crying. That is the end of the chapter on the face of it. So you notice, if you think, you can think. It's up to you what you feel. ज़िंदगी जो होती है वो हमारे अपने हाथों में होती है. लोग तो हमको हज़ार चीज़ें सिखाते ही रहते हैं. कोई क्यों चाहेगा कि आप उससे आगे बढ़ जाइए? कोई क्यों चाहेगा कि आप उससे बेहतर बन जाइए? जब आपको आपकी पड़ी नहीं है तो औरों को क्यों आपकी पड़ी होगी? ऐसी उम्मीद ही क्यों करना? ऐसे लोगों को उम्मीद ही करो. दुनिया में ऐसे भी लोगों की कमी नहीं होती है जो हमारे अंदर से वो कमियां भी ढूंढ के निकाल लेते हैं जो होती भी नहीं है, और हम ऐसे इतने अक्लमंद होते हैं कि मान भी लेते हैं. बहुत कम लोग हमें ऐसे मिस्टर लैम्ब के जैसे मिलते हैं जो हमें दलदल से निकाल के बाहर लाते हैं, हमारी सोच को एक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन देते हैं, एक नया आसमान देते हैं, एक नई परवाज़ देते हैं. और ऐसे लोगों की ज़िंदगी में बहुत वैल्यू करनी चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा उनकी कदर करनी चाहिए. अगर किस्मत आपको ऐसे लोगों से नवाजती है तो आपको ऐसे लोगों की बहुत कदर, बहुत वैल्यू करनी चाहिए, जो आपको आपके लेवल से ऊपर उठाने की बात करते हैं, जो आपको हमेशा आगे ले जाने की बात करते हैं, जो आपको एक बुलंदी की तरफ ले जाते हैं. ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट पढ़ के आपको अंदाज़ा तो हो गया होगा. डेरी तो एक सिंबॉलिक चेहरा है जिसका आधा चेहरा एसिड से जला हुआ है. ऐसे लोगों की कमी नहीं है हमारी दुनिया में. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हज़ार लोग, हर तरह के लोग आपको मिल जाएंगे. यहाँ तक कि अच्छे खासी शक्ल सूरत नॉर्मल शख्सियत वाले लोगों के अंदर भी ये एबनॉर्मलिटी पाई जाती है कि वो अपने आप को दूसरों से बहुत ख़राब समझते हैं, बहुत तो दूसरों से बहुत कम समझते हैं, और या तो फिर अपने आप को दूसरों से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा समझते हैं. ये दोनों चीज़ें एबनॉर्मलिटी की निशानी है. एक नॉर्मल इंसान ना तो किसी से अपने को अच्छा समझता है, ना तो किसी से अपने को बुरा समझता है, बल्कि वो अपने आप को मुकम्मल समझ के उसको खुश रहता है. इस सोच के साथ जीता है कि जैसा भी है उस अच्छा है और उसमें बेहतरी की कोशिश करता है, ना कि ऐश्वर्या राय की तरह आँख और नाक बनवाने के लिए प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करने की कोशिश करता है. कोशिश तो यही होनी चाहिए ना कि हमारे आँखों में हमारे दिल की चमक हो, हमारे होठों पे हमारे अपनी मुस्कुराहट हो, दूसरों की दी हुई नहीं हो, खुद की मुस्कुराहट हो, जो हमारे अच्छे कामों से हमारे चेहरे पे आती हो, हमारे चेहरे को रौनक बख्शती हो. और जब आप इन सब चीज़ों को समझेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट एक चैप्टर ही नहीं, एक लड़के की कहानी नहीं, बल्कि ये हमारी सबकी ज़िंदगी की अक्कासी है कि हम किस तरह अपनी ज़िंदगी में छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को बहुत बड़ा बना लेते हैं और अपने अंदर की महरूमियों को, अपनी कमियों को, अपनी खूबियों पे तरजीह दे देते हैं, अपने नेगेटिव को अपने पॉजिटिव को ख़त्म कर देते हैं, अपने नेगेटिव से ही अपने पॉजिटिव को ख़त्म कर देते हैं. जबकि ज़िंदगी में देखिए, दो नेगेटिव मिलकर भी पॉजिटिव बन जाते हैं, पॉजिटिव कभी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है. नेगेटिव मिलकर पॉजिटिव हो जाते हैं, लेकिन पॉजिटिव कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता. हम उसको नेगेटिव बना देते हैं, हम उसको बनाते हैं अपने अंदर की नेगेटिव. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छा लगा होगा, आपको समझ में आया होगा. इसकी थीम, इसकी सारी चीज़ें We will discuss its character sketch. We will do critical analysis of the character. We will do everything regarding board's syllabus, and I need your suggestion, your questions, what you want to discuss. You prepare your questions to discuss with me in live classes, or you can share your question with me through WhatsApp messages. Whatever means you want to share, you can use it. Otherwise, this will be not easy to get 90 plus marks in your board exams. If you don't practice, you will not get. I hope you will work hard to get 100% marks in all your subjects. And study well, study seriously. We are having only 5 months left, so study properly, make a proper timetable. And now your syllabus for English is completed. All the chapters we have studied, we have discussed everything regarding the question answer. What we have to do next? I will send you questions and you have to answer. We will provide you practice paper. You have to solve those practice paper, and this way you can only practice and you will gain good marks. I hope you will cooperate with me and you will do the needful. I hope you enjoy the video too. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself, study well, and do the question answer. Jai Hind to all.